Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use shortcuts in Seesaw. First, you need to go to Google and look for Seesaw shortcuts. This will take you to the Seesaw Help Center page. Then, when you find this image, you need to save it to your iPad or to your phone. Then go to the Seesaw app and click on Activities and browse Activity Library. Next, click on My Library. Now click on Create New Activity. Then, have that image from before on your phone or on your iPad ready to use. I like to use it on my phone, and I've also saved it as favourites so it's easy to find. So with this image on your phone for reference, you can now add in shortcuts at the start of each instruction you give. You need to have a colon on each side of the word. Here you can see I use the pen, I use the microphone, I use the tick, and I also use the camera shortcuts. These will appear when you are finished. And here you can see my shortcuts now in their image form, and they're ready to be used for this activity. Don't forget to check out these educators and also the Seesaw app on Twitter for more tips and help.